Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how I made £700 on eBay as a teenager. So how I used the account to be a teenager. As I'm a teenager, I'm under the legal age to make a PayPal and eBay account. So all I did was use my parents' accounts, which they already had open, so I could start selling straight away. Make sure that if you are doing this, they know that you're using them, so they know what to expect if they see any money going in and out. The products I sold. First of all, I started selling old toys and items I didn't use, like books, old technology, and just things I owned which I didn't use anymore. Once I started making money from selling these items, I realized how good it was, and then found more things to sell, but when I ran out I had to find different things. I kept looking on websites like Wish, AliExpress, and websites like that, and in the end I found some micro USB to lightning adapters, as you can see in the picture. They basically make you able to charge an iPhone using a micro USB wire. I wasn't really sure why people would buy them, but they sold really well. After fees and postage, I made about 50p to a pound profit per sale, as some were sold in packs of more than one. I also had the cheapest price on eBay, so that's probably why I got a lot of the sales. Over the space of about 3 months, I made just over £700 selling all my items. Why I stopped selling them. I ordered the adapters from China in packs of 50, and then when they came I sold half of them, and then when half of them sold I ordered more, but it got to a point where most of the adapters didn't work as they were just cheap and made in China, and I started getting customer complaints, so it wasn't worth selling them anymore, as a lot of people wanted to return them. I do still sell on eBay, but I'm not going to reveal what the product is, as it's selling really well for me at the moment, but if people want me to reveal it I will. Tips for you. eBay selling is a great business for teenagers and younger people to get into. You just have to find a good product that you can make a profit on. It's the same for all businesses, so just keep trying and be patient. I made another video about how to start selling on eBay, so go and check that out if you're interested and want to start making money. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video.